Hola, buenas tardes. Hello and good afternoon. This is Andrew Weston, resident in all solar systems planets from the galactic system of the energy core. I'm going through so many division lines right now through the galactic system, how it's going through its matrix and its grid system. So I'd like to thank all the subscribers and viewers and everybody that's watching my channel. I really appreciate it. I like the love and support that we're giving to each other and how I give it back to you as you give it back to me. It's amazing to know that we're going through this incredible force through our body and ecosystems, how we're calculating all its divisional lines and how our body systems are going through volumes of its calculations, modifications, and everything through its vibrations and its harmonic systems. And it has its full communication ways and understand how to use our meditation methods through the breathing mechanisms. So I hope everybody's doing well. I'm doing exceptionally well. I've done some dry guards today. This is going to be a very short video, but basically what it is, it's called how planets and solar system go on same waving lengths of communications of all radio signals. Okay, so basically we all start off with these diagrams are already complete. Okay, so it makes it a lot easier so you get a better understanding, but I'll formulate it for you. So formulations into another particles of energy, and it has going through the galaxy system, connection devices through its activation systems, and everything through its galaxy system is correctional divisional lines through its activation codes. So we center point that, and basically what happens is like the atom theory, how one goes one way and the other goes the other way. They collide together, they expand, and then they come back together and they unite, and something beautiful comes out of it. So that's basically what it is. So that's what it starts off with. Okay, that's the center point. Okay, where one goes one way, one goes the other way. They come together and they expand throughout its atmospheres. Okay, through the galaxy systems. Okay, so from there, what happens is has full rotation. Remember I was telling you about the infinity 8 circles, how it turns into a flower of love through its activation codes and its center. Well, you have the galactic moon. It activates through its codes and its frequency levels through the communication lines. Now the atom theory has its full continuous force, where it kind of looks like a cinnamon donut. It circulates and rotates only one way. Okay, and also has point centers, so it gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, and that's how it evolves through its 12 of its centers. Okay, through its communication waves. So it activates on its axle on a full rotation through communication of star systems and planets and solar systems. Now that's how planets and solar systems communicate through all waving signals, which is extremely powerful. But this is basically what it looks like when a planet is going to its birth of its DNA structure. And once it becomes a planet of its system, the galactic dimensional Earth uses its gravitational pull, uprises through its paraphrasing of its parallels. And it goes on a certain oxygen level, and we allocate it and locate it in a certain location. Okay, so it kind of looks like this. Okay, this the galactic dimensional Earth, high rising through the communication waves of all signals, through the activation of 12 within its center. Okay, so it kind of looks like a fan, but it's infinity 8, and that infinity 8 is all communication lines of intelligence through the star systems, through the solar systems, and through the atom theory. This is the atom theory right here, how it goes around and round and round. It gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and that's how it separates itself through its atoms and becomes a galaxy system. Okay, it formulates into beautiful particles of energies through its coloration of its matrix and its grid systems. Pretty powerful stuff, eh? And communication ways too through the planet and solar systems. So once you start off with that, we go into the DNA structure of the northern, eastern, western, and southern hemispheres. Okay, and basically what happens through the atmospheres, the oxygen levels go on its continuous force through its parallels. Okay, the alignments, and through those alignments go through the length and the width of the seismography of the planet system, which is understandable how the heavy mass is, like what is the volume of the planet. So once we elevate that planet, it stays in that system. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, that's what it looks like. That's the dimensional Earth, its gravitational pull through its plasmasium force, where it has the northern, western, eastern, and southern hemispheres, through the DNA atmospheres. Okay, so the dimensional anomalies atmospheres. Okay, seismographing the length and the width of the planet and the mass of the planet. Okay, it's very important to understand the paraphrasing through the alignments. Okay, because each alignment is through a dimension of its rounds through the matrix and its grid systems. Okay, so basically that's what it looks like, you know. So I thought I'd just give you a short diagram on what goes on through the galactic system of the energy core, which high rises in so many dimensional realms of waving patterns through planets and solar systems. So it's pretty incredible. But other than that, you know, let's, you know, come together, formulate, and understand everything through its meditation and its methods. And let's really concentrate on our meditation, like really formalize everything through its body and ego systems and get full collaboration through relationship and partnership. Okay, so that's a quick draft right now, but I'm going to tap out for now. But questions or comments are great. Love you guys very much. Thank you for all the subscribers and viewers and everybody that's watching my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. I'll keep you informed of what's going on through the galactic system and the energy core. Okay, this is Andrew Weston, resident at All Solar Systems Planets Intelligent, from the galactic system of the energy core on high rising and all dimensional realms of the matrix and its grids through the geometric systems. Calling in. Adios.